Dude, listen, where are we at? We're back.
Hey.
We're here in the MotoSport.com Gear Lounge for the Gearhead Gift Guide Holiday Edition.
That's right. Hey, let's kick this thing off. What do you say?
We're starting it off with some boots. We got a bunch of boots on sale. Perfect gift for anyone on your list. Everything from Garnet to Seedy to Fox and even these Alpine Stars. And depending on what style of riding the person you're buying for does, we've got the Tech 7 Enduro and the Tech 7 Track. So if you're riding trails and you might be getting a little more wet and need some extra traction, definitely get the Tech 7 Enduro. Or if you got a trail rider on your list, Tech 7 Enduro. If they're gonna be more on the track, hit the track version.
Yep, these are built more for the feel, the ventilation, and support that you'll take during the jumps.
So if you got a Christmas list, there's some boots on there, you're trying to hook somebody up, check out Alpine Stars or any other one of these great brands. We got something for you. We got some killer sales on gear right now, wide variety, selection, colors. This fly stuff, there's 5 other colors in this gear that come at a really, really great price. This is the Evo Fly Evolution set. Comes with the boa on the pants, really nice stretchy materials, high quality leather, jerseys, super breathable. If you're looking for fly gear in this or another color, we can hook you up. Next up, we got some Ryderco Octane kits. This is the Cash in particular. So if you're looking for an awesome gear set for someone that's not gonna break the bank this holiday season, definitely give Ryderco a look. All the high quality materials and functions, features that you're used to, and really sick colorways. Ryderco, Octane, Cash. For helmets, we got everything from the Fox V3 up to the V1s, all your favorite brands, Shoei, Fly, got some awesome lids, and even a special call out on the Bell helmets, right Brett?
Yep, we got some Bell helmets up to 40% off on these things. These are high quality helmets, one of the best in the game, and I've been at it for years, so definitely wouldn't be disappointed in the Bell.
For sure. And if you need some extra protection for somebody on your list, we got killer deals on knee pads from EVS. We got the Slaco model, the TP199s, and if you're a knee brace rider or someone in your family or your loved one's a knee brace rider, we got killer deals on Mobius and all the other brands out there.
This Mobius brace looks super good. I hear they're very, very durable. They last a long time. Well protected knee brace.
I can confirm I've been running the same set for about 10 years and the only issue I've ever had is just the Velcro kind of wearing out on the bottom strap. So cable's still intact, structurally sound, they work really well.
Hey, and we've also got a full line of officially licensed apparel from manufacturers like this Honda hoodie. Yeah, that's Ride Red, even though it's not a red hoodie. Ride Red, baby.
Sorry to interrupt, but yes.
But yeah, we got all kinds of stuff from all the different manufacturers, officially licensed stuff. That's really cool stocking stuffer.
Officially licensed t-shirts, sweatshirts, hats from all your favorite OEMs, whether it's Yamaha, Honda, KTM. What's left? We got some stocking stuffers, right? We can't forget about those. Everybody needs some stocking stuffers. We got knee brace socks, gloves, down to the goggles, tons of different colors available on each of these things. So
these goggles from Jets and Donuts, 100% top of the line goggles of your favorite rider who wins pretty much everything. So maybe you will too with these 100% goggles.
Bottom line, whatever you're looking for, we got you this holiday season at MotoSport.com. Stocking stuffers, to helmets, to boots, to goggles. Hit the site, hit up a Gearhead, we'll get you dialed in.
Thanks for checking out the MotoSport.com Gearhead Gift Guide Holiday Edition. Don't forget, free shipping over $79 and first free exchange. So if you get something that doesn't fit, we'll take care of you.